continues. Police tried to arrest a 24-year-old French national in an overnight raid. The suspect fired on police, injuring two. He's wanted in Monday's deadly shooting at a Jewish school that left 3 children and a rabbi dead in France. He's also believed to be behind the deaths of 3 paratroopers killed last week. Jim Masita has more from France.
Well, it's been a standoff really for hours between the gunman who's been holed up inside a small house where he's lived here in Toulouse and outside hundreds of police who have been trying to persuade this 24-year-old man.
Is a coordinated universal test of the Florida Emergency Alert System from the Florida Emergency Operations Center in Tallahassee. Equipment is being tested that will quickly warn you or provide emergency information in the case of tornadoes, hurricanes, or other dangerous situations. Universal test. Understand accurate emergency alert information via the Operations Center station serves the entire state of Florida. Being tested and brought to you by the Division of Emergency the Florida Association of Broadcasters and other ranges of the Florida Emergency Alert System. Perfect information about the operation.
Would be killed in Palestine. That's where we are right now with this unfolding story. I'm Jim Masita reporting from Toulouse. And now back to you.
A British tourist held for hostage for more than 6 months in Somalia has been freed. A convoy of cars believed